Now let's proceed on dissimilar fractions. So if the given is dissimilar fractions, this will be your steps or process. To add or subtract dissimilar fractions, you have to find the LCD or their LCD and change them to similar fractions, then follow the rule for adding or subtracting similar fractions. So as you can see, since we have dissimilar fractions, you have to change it to similar, then proceed to uh, the rule of adding and subtracting similar fractions. So example number 1, 4 over 9 plus 2/3 or 2 over 3. As you can see, we have the similar fractions because denominators are different. So our LCD here is 9. First, that will be our denominator on our answer, that LCD. So what are you going to do to have the numerator? First, divide this denominator or LCD by the denominator of the first value, then multiply it by the numerator of the first fraction. So we have 9 divide 9 times 4. 9 divide 9 times 4. Then 9 divide 3 times 2. So here, 9 divide 3 times 2. So 9 divide 9 times 4 is 4. Then 9 divide 3 is 3 times 2, 6. So we have here 6. Then proceed to addition, 10 over 9. That is our denominator. 10 over 9 will be the result. Then don't forget to reduce it in lowest term. So to make it possible, the numerator 10 divided by the denominator 9, that is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. So 10 minus 9 is 1. What will be our answer in fraction form? So quotient, that will be our whole number. Then numerator, remainder, denominator is the divisor or our LCD. So we have quotient 1, then remainder 1, and divisor or LCD is 9. So our answer is 1 and 1 over 9. Note, dividing same signs will result to a positive number. How about this one? Example number 2, 1/3 plus 2 over 5. So our LCD is 15. Now, that will be our denominator, 15. That is 15, I'm sorry. So, what are you going to do is to divide the denominators, then multiply it by the numerators. So, we have, as you can see, 15 divide 3 times 1. So, here. Then 15 divide 5 times 2. Here. Our result will be, okay, 15 divide 3, that is 5, times 1, 5. 15 divide 5, 3, times 2, 6. So we have 15 plus 6 over 15. Then let's simplify. 5 plus 6 is 11 over 15. You can reduce it to lowest term if possible. Since this will be the simplest form, this will be our final answer. Example number 3. 5 over 8 minus 3 over 4. What will be the LCD? Our LCD is 8. So, our numerator will, should I say denominator will be 8. 8. We have to divide it by the denominators and multiply it by the numerators. So we have 8 divide 8 times 5 is 5. Then 8 divide 4 times 3. So here, subtract 8 divide 4 times 3. We have minus 6 over the denominator 8. 5 minus 6 is negative 1. Then copy the denominator 8. Or your answer will be negative 1 over 8. Okay, because the whole fraction will be negative. If the negative is your denominator, like for example, if your answer is 1 over negative 8, your final answer will be negative 1 over 8 as well. Okay, the same with this. Example number 4. Okay, number 4. So what if we have 2 and 5 over 6 minus 3 over 5? So as you can see, we have mixed number or fraction. What are you going to do is change the mixed number to improper fraction. So what is our mixed number or fraction? We have 2 and 5 over 6. You have to change it to improper fraction. Same process, denominator 6 times the whole number 2, that is 12, plus the numerator 5, 17 over the denominator 6. Then, minus 3 over 5. Let's proceed to subtraction. Now, we have the similar fraction. Let's find the LCD. Our LCD is 30. So, same process. That will be our denominator. 30 divided 6, that is 5, times 17, that is 85. Then 30 divide 5, that is 6, times 3, that is 18. So 85 minus 18 over 30. That will result in 67 over 30. Then let's reduce it in lowest term. We have 67 divided by 30. That will be 2, because 2 times 30 is 60. So 67 minus 60 is 7. Now our answer will be 2 quotient and our numerator, the remainder 7, over the denominator will be the divisor 30, so over 30. 2 and 7 over 30 will be our final answer for example number 4. Now it's your turn. Perform the indicated operation and express the answers in simplest form. So you can pause this video to try it on your notebook or any piece of paper. Now let's check. You can check your answer. This will be the answers. For number 1, we have 3 and 1/2. Number 2, 1 and 17 over 45. Number 3, negative 1 and 3 over 20. Number 4, 3 over 20. And number 5, 4 and 1 over 14.